Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in networking: the three-way handshake. This is a crucial process in TCP/IP networks, ensuring that data can be sent reliably between devices. Imagine we have a client, like your laptop, and a server, maybe hosting a website. For these two to communicate over the internet, they first need to establish a connection. This is where the three-way handshake comes into play. The three-way handshake involves three steps: synchronize, acknowledge, and acknowledge. Let's break these down. Step 1: synchronize. First, the client sends a synchronized packet to the server. This is like the client saying, "Hey, I want to start a conversation. Are you ready?" The synchronized packet contains an initial sequence number, which the client will use to keep track of the data it sends. Step 2: synchronize acknowledge. Next, the server responds with a synchronize acknowledge packet. This is the server's way of saying, "Sure, I'm ready. Here's my sequence number, and I acknowledge your request." The acknowledge part acknowledges the client's synchronized packet, confirming that the server received it. Step 3: acknowledge. Finally, the client sends an acknowledge packet back to the server. This packet confirms that the client received the server's synchronized acknowledge. Now, with all three steps complete, the connection is established, and they can start exchanging data. And that's it. The three-way handshake is a simple yet powerful process that makes sure both devices are ready and in sync before they start communicating. It helps to ensure that the data sent is accurate and reliable. So remember, synchronize, acknowledge, acknowledge. These three steps create a reliable connection, which is why the three-way handshake is so essential in networking. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you understand how devices connect and communicate over the internet. See you next time.